ThinkDriver is the most advanced smart diagnostic device on the market.
It's a smart tool that works with an app on your smartphone, which provides the best diagnostic solution for car owners.
There are various OBD tools on Amazon, eBay, and other stores already. What makes ThinkDrive any different?
The fact that most of the current products are limited to generic OBD2 functions only, which means they can only perform emission-related functions. Nowadays, cars are getting more and more intelligent, with more comprehensive electronic control systems, such as engine transmission, ABS, SRS, TPMS, and so on. However, most diagnostic tools on the market can only diagnose emission-related issues, which is only a small portion of all the vehicle systems. Therefore, if there are issues with a vehicle's TPMS, ABS, or electronic windows, which are common in cars,
they cannot be diagnosed by the current models sold on the market.
It's normal to find more than 30 electronic systems in newer car models. The more intelligent a car is, the more systems it has. Basically, a vehicle's electronic control system consists of sensors, the electronic control unit, and the driving control application software, which can be used with the vehicle's mechanical systems, transmitting messages to each other by cables and radio waves. The electronic control unit can be divided into 4 parts: the engine electronic control system, the integrated chassis control system, the interior electronic security system, and the information and communication system. The OBD2 is different from all other onboard diagnostic systems in that it has strict emission targeting, and its essence is to monitor the emission of cars by detecting their power and emission control system. OBD detection mainly includes engine data, catalytic converter, particle trap, oxygen sensor, emission control system, fuel system, EGR, and so on. It covers all generic OBD2 functions. In addition, it also covers all vehicle systems for all OBD2 vehicles after 1996. ThinkDriver can also display all the sensor parameters running on all the different systems, which helps you to accurately locate the problem of your car. Moreover, ThinkDriver can read or clear all the fault codes, and it also can read or graph enhanced manufacturer data streams. For your safety, it's suggested by professionals that all the fault codes should be cleared after repair. Otherwise, it may damage the vehicle system. With ThinkDriver, your vehicle will be more stable, healthy, and easy to maintain. ThinkDriver is equipped with a full 16 pins, which covers OBD2 vehicles after 1996, with more than 100 brands. It has the capability to communicate with both generic OBD2 protocols and manufacturer-specific protocols.
The ThinkDriver app
Is designed based on the latest user experience. It is fancy, simple, easy, and powerful. The unique features allow users to share with others vehicle health reports, ideas, and more on its built-in Think Moment online community.
ThinkDriver will be your best OBD2 diagnostic pal. ThinkDriver, more to achieve in diagnostics.